Good morning, guys. So, medyo nakakahinga. Good morning. So, today we are going to a surprise baby shower for Diche and Irene. But unfortunately, hindi makakapunta sa Diche kasi she has a flu. So, come with me. And this is a day in the life. A day in the life. A day in my life. Ayan, dala ko na yung camera, speaker, damit, and gifts, and then sa likod yung mga props, and I'll show you later. See you. Ayan, nandito na tayo. Sige, madam. Masya ba? Madam, ayan. Kaya move a little bit backward. Yeah. Ay. Here. It's here. Mama's here. Dito na tayo sa venue with madam. Ayan.
Gutom na ako.
Na. Ay, mag-setup na. Ayan. Time-lapse natin ng setup. Ayan, nandito na kami. Live to live. Joke. Ito na, mga women of the world.
Oo.
Oo. Ma, yung phone mo.
Guesses will be the winner. Ayan. So, i-guess niyo po yung date of birth, time of birth, birth weight, birth length. Oo, i-guess niyo yun. So, baby will look more like, is it mom or dad? vaccination?
No? Two words.
Poopy yan eh!
Ayaw mong spot training.
No?
Hindi ko nila alam bakit yun yung picture, pero yan yung nakalagay.
Check!
No?
Ami check? Field notice. Layo ka na.
2 words.
Wipes?
Both start with D. Dog.
Ano yan?
Diaper duty.
Hindi. Hindi ko alam na sana ni D?
Change diaper?
No.
Hindi siya about sa diaper or poop.
Bakit po?
Daddy Day.
Due date.
Due date.
Ah!
Due date na.
Oh.
Hindi kasi di ba pag due date na yung parang ano, ay,
Yung
hindi
bubuko.
ko alam kasi nakalagay kasi sa picture eh. Sinunod ko lang. Okay, ready, next. 2 words.
Cutie pie.
Guys, laban na ba? Ano ba yan? Ako na kayong dalawa. Give chance to others. Nakaapat na kayo. Oh, maximum ng 2. Ate, naligo daw ba kayo kanina? Okay, ready? Cutie pie. Okay, next. Morning sickness. Oh, tama! Okay na sa mood mo. Maligo ka na. Ay, ano? Okay ka na. Ako sa bali chocolate naman yan. Pwede. Kaya mo yan. Next.
Guys, kukunin ko lang yung lipstick na nakikita namin ko sa kamera.
Water
Baby shark.
Yung second word.
Baby play?
Water broke? Yeah! Water broke! Maligo ka na! Okay. Water broke, okay? Next! 3 words! 3 words na tayo!
Playtime? Ako na. Kaya ko na to. Three words? Time? Explain mo mabuti. Ano yun? Chess na.
Hindi, I mean,
Babies down for a nap.
pero haba na.
Maybe down the road. Maybe down the crossing.
No? Hindi,
Ito yung huli.
pwede itong kahit anong game. Like, pwedeng Scrabble, pwedeng Snakes and Ladders, pwedeng chess.
Baby down board. Baby on board. Baby play.
Baby on board. Yeah, baby on board. Hindi na maligo. Galing ko natin dito eh. Baby on board. Nice. 3 words. 3 words. Ay, this is the last one. Mom to be. Yeah, mom to be. Wala ka naman. Ha? Pinili ko na yung pinakamadali. Meron pa ka ban in the oven. Okay. Ayan, may next game pa tayo. Ayan, so yan na po yung mom to be natin. Ayan, so dahil dyan, so we have another game. Ayan, so you just have to pop the belly. Pop the belly. With the scissors.
Dapat nakapit. Kaya ko na nakakapit.
Ano yan?
Walang pin.
Ay, hindi yan pa.
Hindi, ano yan.
Ayan.
Sige.
Basta isang diretso na tayo.
That's it! I found you. I'm so.
Where's ate? Let's find them. Let's find them.
Where's shiny forehead? Man, if you see a shiny forehead, I found a shiny bum bum. Shiny bum bum.
You found me!
Mommy, are you recording?
Yeah.
I want to record now. Yo!
Dad.
Go with Dad then.
Dad.
Come on, Daddy. Let's come.
Dad.
Don't be scared, baby.
Here you go.
Three.
Okay.
One.
No,
Go,
we have
baby,
to
come.
go to the kitchen.
Dad.
Okay, come on, Daddy. One.
We have to go turn. We have to go.
Five.
Daddy can't do that. Daddy! Ow, man. I got pulled by the hair.
Ah, yeah. Okay na, Mar.
No!
Because they're gonna complain downstairs na ang too loud ako. Don't be scared, bro. Dad, give me your sister's name. One, two,
Julian.
3,
And
4.
who else?
What else?
Daddy.
No! What's the name of the che?
Olivia.
Hello, baby.
I don't know Bea.
Okay.
I know Bea.
Okay,
It's my
good job.
turn, no? You're out.
Ate's turn.
No,
Ay, hindi pa ba kita binigyan? Here you go. Okay.
Who am I?
Give me 3 things you bring. 3 things you eat in the cinema.
Huh?
3 things you eat in the cinema.
Candy, popcorn, chocolate.
Tinola.
Candy, popcorn.
Okay. This is turn. Give me 3 names of your cousin.
Johnny, Jenny, and Alicia.
This is not your cousin. This is not your cousin.
My cousin.
She's not.
You're my cousin. You're my cousin.
Okay. What happened there? Bakit?
She cried.
I'm just kidding.